Very good morning and welcome to all of you. Today I have one of the special guests, Mansi, with me, and I'll be having a one-to-one interaction with her. So welcome, Mansi. A very good morning to you. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine? Okay, good to know that. It is good when you introduce yourself a bit.
My name is Mansi. I'm doing BSc from Science College. I have completed my school from Patel High Secondary School. I like teaching. My hobby is preparing food.
Okay. So you have just crossed your schooling and you got the admission in a school, in college.
Yes.
So how's your experience going to college first time? Because studying 12 years in a school and literally you have just got an opportunity to go to college. So how is it special for you to go there?
I experience good, but I like better school time. School time is a best time, but college experience little bit good.
Okay. So how's your education going on in this duration? Like I'm little bit sure, like you may have started going to college regularly.
Yes, I now I'm going to regular college.
Okay. What are the changes are you having these days from the school? Like you have become a college girl. So what are the changes in your lifestyle you are having these days?
There are more students in college, and college is a very big place, and uh, teacher teacher is good in colleges.
Okay. What are you doing in your education right now?
BSc,
Okay, BSc, is it simple or any specialization is there?
mathematics.
Mathematics.
Yes.
Okay, mathematics and girls, this is a very rare and deadly combination. I have seen very few girls taking mathematics. Either they are going for commerce or they are going for biology. So, how did you make your mind to take mathematics as your option?
I I was weak in mathematics, but my sir supported me and suggest you will take mathematics. That's why I take mathematics, and I success.
Okay, that's a quite beautiful thing. Like you converted your weakness into a strength.
Yes.
So here, I just wanna know from your side what are the strengths and weaknesses of Mansi.
I I was weak in mathematics, but now I'm not weak.
You enjoy mathematics.
Yes.
Okay, so don't you feel bored reading other subjects too? Like what is the boring subject according to you? You have to study that.
Boring.
Hmm.
So, social science.
Social sciences are boring. Okay, Mansi, what would you like to do after your education? Like, you want to be a girl in the job or you want to be a girl in your own business? What would be the future perspective of you?
I want to job.
You want to do job? Okay. Where do you see yourself in what job? Because you are doing BSc and after a BSc, MSc or any professional degree you'll be doing?
Yes. I,
Okay, PG you will do. So, what kind of job fascinates you? As you said, you want to become a teacher. And so, what job would be suitable according to your personality and looking at your strength?
I wish I want to government job.
Okay, you want to do the government job. Government job in which sections? In which area? You want to do job in banking or you want to become a government teacher? What?
Government teacher.
Government teacher. Why government? Why not private? Because you have many opportunities to improve yourself in private jobs, especially.
Because government is more better than private job.
Okay, so especially you want to become a teacher.
Yeah.
Fine. What are the skills that you have that can support you to become a good teacher? What do you think about yourself you can become a good teacher?
I become a good teacher because knowledge increases by sharing.
Okay.
That's why I want to increase my knowledge.
Fine.
Actually, I like teaching.
Fine. It's a very good thinking, like sharing something you have and getting. There are many opportunities to learn as a teacher from the student, from everybody. And as a teacher, you keep learning and you keep growing. You stop learning, you stop earning, you stop growing. So, what are the source of motivations for you? Like, how do you get motivate yourself to study well and to become a good teacher? What are the sources of inspiration and motivation for you? Any person or any incident or what?
There are many sources because education is very important thing. Every person have a educated. That's why education. That's very important for every person.
Okay. What are your hobbies, Mansi? Because we are quite infatuated and attracted with our hobbies and the work which we want to do. And we find out the time of doing this singing, dancing, cooking, and many hobbies are there. What are your hobbies that makes you feel relaxed?
I like listen song.
Okay, listening to songs.
Yes, I feel relaxed. I come.
Okay, you like to listen songs, but there are many songs we see like the lyrics are so fast. Pop music we are talking about. So what kind of song you like to listen mostly? Old song 80s or 90s or the new songs?
New songs.
New songs you like. Okay. Why do you listen to a new song? Any thinking behind it?
No, I like old song, but now I like new song.
Okay. You like new song. Fine. Next, I want to know about you. Means what kind of girl you are, like how you are different from others, and what is your behavior like. You like to live alone or you like to live with the people and making friends. What kind of girl you are? Describe yourself in brief.
I'm good or bad, I don't know, but my heart is very good.
Okay.
I respect my elders and I always ready to help others.
Fine. It's a very good thinking. We should be rooted in with our parents or those who have a contribution in building up ourselves. Like they are supporting you always. See, you are a good girl, right? And you are honest too, and you are very lenient. So there are people they want to take advantage of your leniency and of your honesty. See, if you are honest, you'll be cheated. Fine, people will take undue advantage. So how do you deal with that? Because many times there are people they say something to you, but you don't reply because of you respect them, isn't it? So how do you deal with this frustrating situation?
I handle some situation and manage.
Okay. How do you manage them? You just talk to the matter or like you just ignore it?
Talk to this man.
Okay. How how many good friends you have? They are always ready to support you, to help you. How many good friends?
My good friend is Dara.
Okay. Why this girl, Dhara, is your good friend? What are the qualities of her you like most?
Dara help me any situation
Okay.
and Dara is a very popular girl.
If you got an opportunity to become a Prime Minister of India for one day, how will you be looking at India as? What will you do and what would be your perspective for India as Prime Minister for one day? As you may have seen the movie Nayak, Chief Minister of One Day, he did a lot. So as a Prime Minister, what would you be doing?
First of all, I will understand that what work Prime Minister.
Okay. You will understand, but your whole day will pass in understanding. You actually don't know what is the work of like what happens. So within one day, it is not possible for us to know. Fine, but you just think about it. If you become a prime minister, literally after 20 years, you become a prime minister. It will be very good to get the prime minister like Indira Gandhi. She is an inspiration for us. Who knows? Like you'll be becoming that. Okay, so this is it, guys, and this is Mansi with us, and had a nice conversation with her, and nice talking. Thank you, Mansi, coming with.